Sarah, why do you look so down?
Daniel, I'm afraid I just realized I won't be going to college.
Now what would make you think of such a silly thing?
Well, I overheard my brother and his friends talk about all the hard work it takes to go to college. You have all these applications with so many deadlines, and this thing called tuition is really expensive. I just feel so overwhelmed.
I know thinking about college is stressful, but you know there's services that can help you with college. You don't have to do it alone.
Really? What kind of services?
Well, I'm a part of this program at USC called Upward Bound, and they help you with all kinds of college stuff.
This sounds so exciting. Can you tell me more?
Well, to start, they have really great advisors that will advise you one-on-one. They summons you out of class once a week to discuss your current academic status. But the help doesn't stop there. They offer Saturday academic classes, which provides us with Casey and SAT prep classes.
Get out of here. They do all that?
Wait. But that's not all. The best part is they let us stay on USC campus for 5 weeks during the summer to help us prepare for college life.
Wait a minute. They let you stay on campus? Like overnight? Wow, that sounds exciting.
Oh, it's very exciting. We get to meet new people from Dorsey, Crenshaw, Jordan, and Washington Prep, and we get to live like real college students in the dorms. We even get to take college credit classes.
College courses? Isn't that hard?
No, not at all. They have tutors there over the summer helping us, and they make sure we pass all our classes with B's or better.
Daniel, how do I get involved?
Well, the college advisor for manual arts is Jackie. She is really cool and friendly. You can find her in the College Center Tuesdays through Thursdays from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. I will give you an application. Just fill it out and return it to Jackie as soon as you can.
Oh, I'm so excited. USC Upward Bound is going to help me get into college.
Yes, well, you better turn in your application fast because there are only 20 spots available and the deadline to enter is November the 4th.
Oh, I will fill it out today. Thank you, Daniel.
You're welcome. I have to go now. I'm going to be late for Saturday Academy. Bye.